All right, we're here to play the February band homework page for bells. And this month we're going to be doing something a little different, but the first two songs are review songs, so we're going to play them the same way that you've been doing. Left is line notes, space is right notes. Let's look at number 41. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, good. Should be easy. Number 54. Let's take a look at number 54. Same thing. We're going to be following the same rules. Here we go. Number 54. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Easy? Great. Now as we take a look at number 58, we do notice that we have a pickup note, but the other thing I want to point out to you is that the sticking that we've been showing you so far, left is line notes, right is space notes, is just so you get used to playing mallets, going alternating mallets and moving around, not using the same one over and over and over, either one over and over and over. So now as we get a little further down the road, you'll see some songs that are kind of like scales. They work great with that rule, but other songs don't when they bounce around or have the same notes over and over. So we're going to show you a few ways to break those rules this month. So like on number 58, it's a perfect example. The first two notes should technically be line note, that should be left, left, left. But we're going to change that rule and say it makes more sense to do a right mallet on the G and a left mallet on the C. Okay, so for this song, we're going to choose what we call our sticking. We're going to choose our sticking. So you can see what I do with this, but the main thing is every time I look at a song, I try to figure out what's going to be the most logical way for my mallets to move so they're not crossing and hitting too much. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at number 58 with the pickup notes. My right mallet is on the G. My left mallet is above the C. Here we go. 1, 2, go. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Good? All right, so you'll see that there's no such thing as the perfect way to do it or the wrong way to do it. You just want to make sure it's natural and sounds natural and feels natural. All right, let's take a look at number 61, which of course is the February test. But guess what? It's almost in scale form, so going back to our normal way of sticking is going to make a lot more sense on this one. So let's stay with our normal, which is our right notes are going to be on the spaces, our left notes are, our right mouth's going to be on the spaces, our left mouth's going to be on the line. So I'm going to go ahead and start like normal. Here we go. 61. 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Good. How'd you do? All right, let's turn over on the back. Again, here we have one that's based on scales, so we're going to do our normal sticking on number 62. Here we go. So left on the line note, which is the E flat. 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good? How'd you do? Remember, you can always go back and do any of these over again. First time you can watch it. You could count along if you needed to. You could even just touch it with your fingers if you're unsure about that, and then play along until you can play it well. All right, our next song's all, I'm going to break the rules on our initial rule on sticking, and let's choose some sticking on this. So take a look at 73. I'm looking at partly, I'm always going to be trying to go left and right as much as possible, but if we take a look at here, I'm going to be going from an E flat to a B flat to an E flat, and then a scale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose that I'm going to actually do a left on the B and a right on the E flat, and then in measure 3, left, right on the F, and then again left, right on the G, and then I'm actually going to choose a strange little sticking there at the end. I'll show you that one. Actually, next month I'll show you that one. All right, here we go. So I'm going to start here and then do normal sticking after that. So if you want to watch, you may want to write down some L's and R's and see how you do on this. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How'd you do? That make sense? All right, this is one thing you can always talk to your teacher about. Again, there's no real rules on this. You just want to make it as smooth and natural for you as possible. Once you choose something that works for you, then just stick with it. Again, you can do what I just did, or you can choose something different. Let's take a look at 75 and choose our sticking. So here we go. We have C's and we have A flats. So I'm going to choose to do my right and left, because then I'm going to have some B flats going to the A flats again. So I'm going to do that and that. So I'm choosing my stickings rather than worrying about lines or spaces. Let's see. On the second line, I'm going to go ahead and make that second, that B flat also going to be left, 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 so that I can get the E flat with the right. And that'll make a little more sense to my coordination. All right, let's try it. Again, you can watch and write down if you'd like. 1, 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. How'd you do? All right, you notice the next part here is covering all the key signature accidentals, things that you should have been doing in class. There's also another video you can go watch if you'd like to get a review on this or get ahead if you're looking ahead. Down at the bottom we have number 76, and anytime you have a bunch of notes all together, you're going to have to change some rules of sticking generally, because you're going to end up having to move around a little bit. So let's take a look at this. I see C, B flat, C, A flat. So I'm going to be thinking C, B flat, C, A flat, and then in measure 3, that makes makes more sense there. Right? All right. So let's take a look there. I'm going to start right, left, right, and then left again. And I'm going to go to my right, and I can do that. Okay? All right. Follow along, write down if you'd like. And again, these you don't have to do exactly this way. This is just the way that I'm choosing to do them at this moment. All right, here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How'd you do? Good. So this song, we have our key signature, but we also have this new concept of I can choose my own sticking, and that makes it sometimes a lot easier, hopefully a lot easier. If not, talk to your teacher and they'll help you out with that. All right, play this every day. You'll be doing great. Have a great day. Bye.